Hey, how's it going? So, if you're watching this video, you probably want to set up your domain and hosting and interconnect both and then install WordPress, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do right now. So for this, I'm using Namecheap. They're affordable and I've been using them for years now. So this is the one I definitely recommend to buy domains as well as buy hosting. You can use GoDaddy or any other one, but I recommend Namecheap only because I've been using them for years. So what you're going to want to do is, of course, create an account and let me log in mine. And once I'm there, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm in. I'm gonna have to blur out all these domains, but what you're gonna want to do is go to domains, domain name search, and this is pretty straightforward. You just write the domain name you want to buy here. So we're gonna do plumbing NYC. Let's see if this one is actually registered already or not. Probably yes. Sorry about that. .com. Again, this is the site I'm going to show you how to rank and how to build. I'm going to do an exact match domain, just like I told you, but you can do a branded domain. So let me think. Let's do plumbing. Let's do like this. Okay, so 24hourplumbernyc.com is available. Let me just see if this one is available as well. Probably not. Yeah, it's not. So let's just do it like this. Okay, and you're gonna add it to cart. And regarding hosting, you can do this one right here, which is for WordPress hosting. Okay, monthly prices are first month 84 cents, and then this is actually in euros, and then €3 per month. It's actually pretty cheap. So just gonna add it to cart as well, and then we're going to check out. Now, because you can see here, I have this Google Chrome extension that's called Honey, which will search for coupons. It's a totally free extension. You can install it as well. I'm just going to apply coupons automatically. Let's see if any of these work. And yeah, looks like we saved $1.50. Okay, so this coupon actually worked. And what you're gonna want to do right now, so 1 year, who's guard enabled, okay, monthly, and yeah, that's it. So you're gonna confirm the order. I'm gonna buy it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just bought the domain and the hosting. You'll be redirected to this page right here, and just go ahead and click on manage here on the domain name. Okay, so because you bought Namecheap hosting, and because you bought the domain and the hosting on the same on Namecheap, you don't need to touch this. Okay, so just leave them as Namecheap basic DNSs. Okay, and now because you bought that easy WordPress installing, you just click on apps right here on the bottom left corner. So right here, click easy WordPress. This is pretty straightforward, but I'm gonna do it with you. Just click setup WordPress. Website name, let's do 24-hour plumber NYC. Continue. Right here on this page, you're gonna click here, your domain from Namecheap, so the one you just registered. Continue. Now, plugins you need, let's just do Yoast SEO, because like I told you before, we're gonna need to set this one up. We'll need other plugins, but for now, let's just do this one. And then you click continue. Okay, so it's setting up our site. We just need to wait a little bit, and I'll be back once it's up. Okay, so it's done. You can click here to see some settings, just not really that important. You can see your subscription, when the next payment is, etc. But now if you click on here, the website will still not be up because we need to wait a little bit for the DNS to propagate. So I'll be back. This will take more or less an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. So once the site is up, I'll let you know. Okay, so our site is up, as you can see here. Hello world. And yeah, just had to wait about 20 minutes. What you're gonna want to do right now is just type your domain and then wp.admin, and you'll be redirected to the admin. You'll be redirected to the back end of your site. Okay, just log in, and the credentials were sent to your email, so just paste them here and log in. And there you have it. This is the back end of your WordPress site. It's all fully set up. Not gonna want to save this, but yeah, you have your site set up, and you have the back end where you can manage everything from plugins to themes to pages, posts, whatever you need. So I know this was a quick video, pretty straightforward. And now once you have this, you're going to want to move on to the second part, the second practical lesson, where we'll be going into more detail on everything regarding building your site. Okay, so I'll see you there.